Ke Post Office jong ke sorkar pdeng ke Pynrung ya kadur jong ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ha ketup jong ke special cover ha ke ketin Khasi Hindi bar ketin Pynrung bar kini kare ke Khubor basong tanat na bynta ke District Council ya kini la ya thu do CM ha ke jing penina pajba ya ki stam ki ba repair bala pulang ha State Convention Center ya kini ke special cover jong kadur ke KHADC la pelaj pajba ha ke Arpawai Terik Risau ar Jarap Sau do CM ke KHADC ba penyai sing CM haringkat ke jingadan lang ulampang ke KHADC ba lamprang bla ke DC ke East Khasi Hills ke kong RM Kurba u Chief Postmaster ke General of North East Circle ke DGP ke kong Ida Shisha Nongrang ki executive member jang ke KHADC ki MDC ki Knak School bat kibai u CM ke KHADC loong ba kene kalong ke jing job ya ke District Council baling ba kene ke jing syap penkop ya ke dur jang ke KHADC kari India kan sa itu ya ke KHADC but hakane ke special cover la batai lut ha ke bai dei ba kelenti ya jang ke KHADC
My exhibition also is not for paragon, but
deposit of just minimum ₹10. So when I was in school, whenever I could save some money, ₹1 or ₹2, every month I used to deposit in my account in Linja Post Office, and that I really remember and could get the privilege to be part of banking system during my times, which is very difficult to go to the other nationalized banks because they have huge deposit, minimum deposit. So this is also the other way that I could get the opportunity to be part of the post office. And today I'm very happy to stand here, especially to thank the post office, Rajiv Ranjan, giving us this opportunity for District Council to be part of this wonderful event, and especially for us to get this opportunity to have a special cover on record. So this is achievement from KHADC and also another milestone that we will go forward from now on. So it is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today at the Meghalaya Postal Division Philately Exhibition, Meghalaya 2024. This event not only celebrates the art and history of philately, but also serve as a vibrant reflection of our culture, tradition, and the rich stories that stamps can tell. Philately is more than just collecting stamps. It is a gateway to understanding our world. Each stamp captures a moment in history, a cultural landmark, or a significant event connecting us to the past while enriching our present. The theme represented in this exhibition highlights not only the natural beauty of nation and beyond, but also our shared commitment to preserving our legacy for future generations. I want to commend the Meghalaya Postal Division for their efforts in organizing this exhibition. It is testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved, from the postal staff to the local artists and philatelists who have contributed their time and passion. Your collective efforts have brought together a community of enthusiasts who shared a love for collecting and appreciating these miniature works of art. This exhibition is also an opportunity for us to encourage the younger generation to embrace philately. In a rapidly digitalizing world, it is essential that we foster a sense of curiosity and appreciation for tangible artifacts of history. Philately exhibit. Let us take a moment to appreciate the incredible diversity represented here. From the natural wonders of Meghalaya, such as the living root bridges, to the rich tapestry of our tribal cultures, each display is a window into our identity. Let us celebrate our unique heritage and the stories that bind us together as a community. In closing, I wish to express my gratitude to all the participants, organizers, and
ketika program ketika philately exhibition harga besar lak bank daga post office division Shillong akan ke buat bank jong post master general jong North East Circle harga beda buat kenika jing ba ikini stamps ki poster berher ki banado ki por ki bakhaman shwa but hadu kini ki por ki bamta ki dondu ki stamps but ki posters na post office ki badai hapo jongkari India na ki states na ki jala berher por India ki dondu kini ki stamps ki post ki badai na shaban jongkari India lu kumna Bhutan but ki jaga te ke ka ba penlongkong san ini minta kesni hangi kadai halor ka jingyo Pynrung ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council apo kene ka re India haka postal re India haka bidai buat kene ka special cover la print kumbar hajatali buat kawai na kata special cover kabla assignment da general post master general jongkan North East Circle bat nakaliang jungan bat ya kani pansabha ya kani ka special cover kawai ka bani sign in original pansabha siya National Museum Delhi tiba-tiba pun pat kini special cover nakaliang ka post office kinsa ayang iru katukan ispatali banyin la di nang tai nakamta kinu kishiti kiba ngin ha mangi lani mano ki members ko ki MDC ni ki EM ni ki officers ni wat ko office su kadang kami ha shti la ban le da ni special cover ka juni ka kani ka de ka achievement ni ka jingjok ka juni ha ka sinjam jong ka jingya inti ha ka wei pat ka benta namar ba dah ke New York ikan ni special cover ni sungguh pa kari India baru kawai haka post office lala itu ini de kawai kata pat kabaan pat ba hadin habut nama kani ka special cover la shon nya kala ni la print nya ka tang shisin mla ban print asir de kamut hadin khatsan arkusnem kani ka special cover ka jumi kan long very limited lani kan duna abhan si sien ba kaduna kan special cover enteng kan sabdan katiman ni kiwi ki jakat but simba bun katiman ka dor jumi special cover kan kiyo kuman shuan kusan let's say kan poi kapor let's say hadin san chipo khat san snam ka special cover ka tingi let's say yang benta ka value kan long san po tung ka gawai kan dai hata kapor kan poi chipo khat san lang me an pulang gawai de namar bakani ka de tak ka one time publication de namar tak daw kata ka kalong shibenta na kituki mangwat penya si neninong kiba sumal ne bawat yakini kistam ki postcard dan ini ki special cover Henry yang ikum ke KHADC pak kaji mentai kalong ba kari India hibrakowe la itu ini ke KHADC kaptam bangilayo ban Pynrung yang kini special cover akan dikatuk jongkat post office de ngangaso ba kadi kawe ka achievement ma hakan ni ka special cover la patai bago hak din Hindi hak din English but hak din Khasi kalau don sepang ka jing batai benya habai dei bakan city council manu balak seng dan dia architect ikan dia schedule da lead reverend JJM Nichols Roy te bala pentrikam ikan ngu senam khatkan dai spasan kuat terter ka history dan ka jingya thu likot sepang ka schedule dan council la dan akan dia special cover tengahnya ke jingjop jungi kum ke KHADC menta kasni ba kerman skam ka jingi wan shimenta kini ki kena school naki school maper pot nang ba shilong kan penlong yaki ban snoutenat ban khamwat benya phang ke jinglong jingban habidip kini ki stamps bakin don kata ka jing snoutenat kata ka hobby ban collect ki stamps le se hadian habul kin sa treasure dan kin sa bu kerbang yaki ban long ka jing pai ba te kata de ka jing ni ko kan ka program taksi